Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Caroline. That's me. In today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be installing this 30-inch. When I say inch, I mean inch like, oof, I have to raise it really high. 30-inch, 13 by 6, 13 by kind of 6 lace wig from Asteria. So she's looking like on the inside. She does not have any side parting, as you can see. But they give you a lot of middle parting, which I don't like companies do that, but I guess. So by the fall, I'm definitely going to be doing a middle part for this. I did bleach and pluck the knots, and this is 30 inches, 250% density, and I'm not too sure what type of lace this is, but don't worry, all the specifics I'll have it down in the description box. I'm gonna probably not do too much talking because I didn't want to turn on my humidifier because like allergies, they're kicking my ass. Okay, they're fighting me. So I want to use my humidifier to help my throat and my nose. I'm just so stuffed and congested. I mean, I'm hoping it's allergies. God forbid it's corona. I'm vaccinated, but you know, you can still get COVID while you're vaccinated. But I mean, I haven't been doing anything, but let's just pray it's allergies, because usually I get very bad seasonal allergies. Anywho, let's hop right into the video. Normally I use my Ruby Kisses found concealer that's $5, but I can't find a good shade match right now because I've gone a little darker because of the sun. So I'm going to use my NARS foundation, which I really don't recommend using your good foundation because, girl, unless you got money like that, but I don't. But just for now, I'm just going to do that. Use this little dense brush, and we're just going to pat that on to get it to be our perfect skin tone. Gonna go ahead and dry this up. I'm gonna try out the new one of the new Got2b hairsprays. I've been trying to figure out like different sprays to use besides the original yellow Got2b, so I'm gonna try this out. I tried it out one time and I didn't like it too much because I felt like, I don't know, I feel like it wasn't sticking properly, but maybe it was just me that day. I have been really liking this one that I've been using recently. I don't know if it'll focus. My only problem with this is that I feel like it mixes with the makeup and it makes it just like really messy. So we're gonna try this out today. But yeah, we're gonna do a very standard, you know. Yeah, JK. I'm gonna go back to using this because this, no ma'am. It was not sticking, it was lifting. I'd rather have this be messy with the makeup than have to deal with all that lifting. So I prefer this over that. This is more fast drying and sticks way better in my opinion. But okay, now we're gonna do this side.
can't make it seem. Oh, I can't make it seem like I want you. Even if it's even if it's I guess it's overdue. Tell me your point of view. Tell me, am I to blame? You're so good with change. I'll tell you what's up for two. You got me waiting, but you ain't coming through. Tried to stay patient, but gotta face the truth. See you face to face, I'm thinking about the days we used to be. But I can't make it seem. Oh, I can't make it seem. See you face to face, I'm thinking about the days we used to be. But I can't make it seem. Oh, I can't make it seem like I want you. Even if it's true. Even if it's true. Sometimes I wish you knew, but no, it disguised the truth. I say I'm happy, but I'm still stuck on us. Does your mind play this game too? They about me and you. I guess I'll just pretend until it all makes sense. See you face to face, I'm thinking about the days we used to be. But I can't make it seem. Oh, I can't make it seem. See you face to face, I'm thinking about the days we used to be. But I can't make it seem. Oh, I can't make it seem like I want you. that you had a moment. Why don't you say so? They won't even notice. No punches got to roll. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so? They don't like to moment. Keep me at the moment. Why don't you had a moment? Why don't you say so? They won't even notice. No punches got to roll with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so? Like to